In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress.com site. Whether you're looking to start fresh or you simply don't need your site anymore, deleting it can be done quickly and easily. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress.com account. If you're not already, head over to WordPress.com and log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress.com dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything related to your site. Next, look to the left side of the dashboard for your site list. If you have multiple sites, select the one you wish to delete. You should see the My Site section where your websites are listed. Click on the name of the site you want to remove. This directs you to the site's management area. Here, look for the Settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of the left sidebar. Clicking on Settings will reveal various settings you can adjust. You'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom to find the Site Tools section. Within this section, you'll find a link labeled Delete Your Site Permanently. Click on this link to move forward. Before you proceed with deletion, take a moment to consider if there is anything on your site that you might want to save. Deleting your site is irreversible, and once you go through with it, everything will be permanently lost. If you decide you might want to keep some information, you can back up your site. There's an export option available in the Tools section of your dashboard, which allows you to download all your site data for safekeeping. Once you're ready to delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. WordPress will ask you to verify the site you're deleting by typing in the website name. This is a precaution to ensure that the deletion is intentional. Type in the name of the site exactly as it appears and confirm the deletion. After you verify, your site will be permanently removed. Remember, this action is irreversible. If you change your mind after completing this step, you'll need to start over by creating a new site from scratch. With a few clicks and confirmations, you've successfully deleted your WordPress.com site. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete a WordPress.com site thoroughly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, WordPress.com support is always there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful tips.